Today, we actually have some of the boys coming over just to install car parts. I actually went down to LA to help one of my buddies drive back home to Seattle for the holidays. On the way there, I decided to pick up a lip and drive it back to Seibon shipping. I picked up a lip for myself and I picked up a lip for Jimmy. We have one here and one here. So Jimmy actually only thinks we're gonna be installing this lip on his car today. Well, little does he know, I got a gift for him. So I had purchased these APR canards. I got a really good deal for them. And I was gonna run them originally on my car, but now I'm going with a different route. Jimmy had asked if he can purchase these from me. But today, we're just gonna go ahead and give it to him as a Christmas gift. You know, Jimmy's done a lot for this channel. He's actually helped me a lot and grow it to where it is today. Not where I wanna be yet, but definitely couldn't have made it there without Jimmy. Shout out to Felix for this Moscow Mule recipe. I've been drinking it all weekend, and honestly, I should probably slow down, but it's Christmas, so what's up? Whatever. We gotta move the Tesla so I can move my Supra out onto the driveway because I don't want to put on the street. They just showed up. Ugh. You're not low enough, bro. Ready to install your lid, bro? Special delivery. What's going on, bro? What? It was open?
Dude.
What is that?
Hands down.
Ube boba latte?
Best
Damn.
ever.
Ooh.
Yo, what you get? Coffeeholic?
No. That was from like a couple of days ago. What's going on? Vlogception. We just had like the worst conditions probably we ever had.
It said it was the worst ice storm in a decade.
Yeah, and it only lasted one day. Jimmy, what's these?
You didn't. I did. Oh, Jimmy.
What the? Easy? What? Thanks, Jimmy.
Yeah, you're welcome.
There he is. There he is.
Do something cool! The fastest car here. Somebody stole my freaking hubcap. Somebody stole my hubcap, bro. I'm gonna put this car on jacks, and I'm gonna make another drink real quick. Ooh, your lip broke, bro. All right, we just jacked up the car and we moved the car back out a little bit so we have a lot of playroom to record for you guys. While we were jacking it up, I've actually never put Jimmy's car on the quick jacks before, but he has this lip right here. And with this lip, there's like this outer edge. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but inside, we jacked up the car and all the 3M on one side completely ripped off. We heard a really scary noise. We thought we messed up and did something to the car, but we're gonna be okay. Sorry, Jimmy.
It's okay. Consumable.
Here it is, boys. Jimmy, you may have the honor of unboxing.
Shout out to Caleb Sock and the team over at Sayber Design.
Yup.
Making some quality stuff.
Dude, I love the lip.
I love the swan neck. I love
all the parts he's coming out for it. I want it all. I want the whole catalog.
I want it all. I'm gonna rip it like a savage.
Oh boy.
Have you opened yours?
I have not. No.
Look at this.
We're gonna be fine. It's gonna be okay. Ooh.
Yeah. The real deal right there.
For racing use only.
That means you're gonna need the splitter now. Brett, would you like a pop or something?
I don't drink, guys.
I said a pop, bro!
I know. I felt the need to explain myself.
We got Brett removing the old lip, and we got Jimmy getting B-roll. I've already made an install video on a lip, so we don't even need to show this part. What's gonna be cool is Jimmy and me are running the same training lip, the Maxton V2 design that's in plastic. We're gonna put the Sayber design carbon fiber lip on Jimmy's car, and we can go see what it looks like side by side. I can't wait to get mine on. Woo! Look at Dan, the new media guy.
Yeah.
Got a new gimbal for Christmas, but we got the lip off. Oh, this looked like a pretty good like lip that could have came off OEM.
Yep.
And it was a great training lip for the price it was at, but it's time to graduate, Jimmy. The size difference in this thing. Oh my gosh, that looks freaking good.
It's gonna settle a little bit too.
The fitment looks freaking great. It uses all the OEM mounting holes. So you're gonna use all the OEM mounting holes in the back. We just put some really heavy duty 3M adhesive tape. And dude, it's not gonna go anywhere. But I think Sayber Design did a really good job. They developed a lot of products for the 890 Supra. There's also a splitter that's built for this lip if you wanted to run it on the track. He has these crazy canards that go with it too.
Look at this fitment. No gaps. No gaps. You see it?
Super easy to put on too.
Very easy.
Very easy.
Just OEM screws. Here's your car, bro.
Look at how thin that is. And then now, it adds so much more volume to the car. Holy crap. It's not really much slower. If anything, it's just a lot longer now. So Jimmy's really gonna have to start angling in a little bit more just to make sure he clears this. Jimmy! The lift's not the only thing we're installing today.
We got, is it Birkenstocks? We got Birkenstocks?
Not Birkenstocks. No, open it up. Let's get it installed.
Nah,
You didn't
bro.
wrap this.
So, like I said, I'm running a different style canard now, and Jimmy was interested in buying this one. The ones that I already got, but we're just gonna give it to
I
Jimmy.
remember when you first got that, I was like, that looks so good. I'm
Dude,
jealous.
I think it's gonna look really well with just the lip.
Wow.
Oh, hey, mock it up real quick. Let's. Ready? How does it look, guys?
Oh my gosh.
Huh? Yo. Woo! Yo, can somebody hold this? Let me look. Oh shit.
Go.
Sheesh.
Oh shit, Jimmy, that looks really good. All right, we're gonna get that installed today.
Let's go.
Oh, bro.
The other one's waterproof.
Dan didn't see this earlier when he left, but Jimmy got his presents, Dan. Oh. Who's opening first?
You, buddy. You.
No!
You, because
Come on,
you
guys.
gifted
Camera,
me.
motherfucker.
Damn! What is this, dude?
Whoa.
What?
Oh, hey guys.
Bro!
That's some big money right there.
What is that? No way.
Bro, I thought we were doing gift.
Yo! He got me the pin set. Oh, dude, this one's.
This one's the
Ooh.
best right here.
Bro,
This one's clean.
3M that into your car.
Oh, shit, this is. Thank you, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Damn, Kith Boys! Hey, thank you, my guy. Oh, shit. Yo, that's sick.
Hopefully he didn't buy one at the
Whoa.
cruise.
I got the myrrh.
Yes,
Got
sir.
Myrrh, guys. Myrrh.
What's the first drink going in there today?
Coffee holiday.
Some fucking water.
All right, last but not least. Whoa.
Shit.
What is that?
Dude, that heated neck
The heated
massager,
neck
bro.
massager. So you can plug it into
Dang.
your car or just the regular.
What?
What?
Whoa.
Dang, son.
There might not be enough juice.
Oh, it's working.
Oh, it's working.
How's it feel to have those balls on your neck?
This is real nice, guys.
I don't want to mess up my neck.
You have to plug it in where.
Oh,
Yeah.
that
Kind of makes me think I might be able to still.
we good.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and just clean up the car. I'm just gonna detail spray it and then use some alcohol prep cleaner. Let's get one small piece over on this side,
Go ahead.
and then we'll just lift this edge up. We'll open this side up. We'll stick this side first. Dude, I'd be way lower, man. All right, we got the car pulled out, and Dan's telling me that I'm gonna be okay if I install my lip. But if you guys look, I'm still on the Maxton Design lip, and
You cracked it.
I cracked it already. You see right here?
Cracked it because you wasn't a careful driver.
Yeah, I wasn't a careful. That's my fault. But I still think I'm lower than Jimmy at my current setup with this new lip. Yeah, but remember, I'm on 18 inches. It's okay. I'm gonna get new wheels. Jimmy, the canards look so good. Dan, what you think?
Good, bro. It's a good look.
What do you think, Brett?
It's pretty good.
You
I
did
like
a
it.
pretty good job today.
I love it, man. Thank you so much. It was a good Christmas. A great Christmas.
Jimmy pulled in for Christmas, and he's pulling out a new man.
Pulling out. Man. Questionable.
Again, all you had to use was all OEM hardware, and then you just 3M the back pieces. All we need is to create a piece right here, cover that up. That looks so good. That's all we got for today's install.
Thank you.
If anybody is interested in any Sayber design car parts, go ahead and use this code for a discount. Thank me down below in the comments.
Thanks, Sayber.
All right, well, that's all we got for today. We're gonna wrap it up for Christmas. I appreciate anybody that watched this far into the video. Thank you. I'm excited to continue vlogging next year and see where this goes.
Peace out, gang.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's from me and the gang. Peace out, guys.